Hey guys, Renee with Burns Lawn Care. Hope you guys are all doing well. So I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update on today. Today is Friday, March 18th. So we had a plan as far as what we were going to do today, and we have a beautiful day here in Massachusetts. Our plan was to replace the axles in our trailer because we have bent axles. Unfortunately, we started pulling the axles out and we realized that the company that we ordered them from measured wrong. They're special order axles. They took 6 weeks to come in. So I'm gonna give you guys a little look as to what we have going on here right now. A nice mess. So we can't do anything about this until Monday. So that's our current situation with the trailer. So once we had that all pulled apart and realized there's really nothing we can do with that today, I said to Brandon, well, let's pull out our list. I have this list here trying to keep us both organized, and here's what we got going on. We have a nice 4-page list here of things that we are trying to take care of before the season starts, so we're a little bit under the gun. So I said to Brandon earlier, all right, we're back to the drawing board. So we both reviewed our list, and today we decided we're gonna cross off some things on our Wright Stander.
So here it is, guys, 2019 Wright Stander X, 52-inch cut. I'm preheating the engine now to get the oil warm, so when I drain it out, it'll flow out nice. We're gonna sharpen the blades, we're gonna change the oil, we're gonna change the air filter. We're gonna get this machine ready for the season. This toe board sensor's no good. I kind of like hot wired it together mid last season just to get me through. We're gonna replace that today. So we got some work to do, so let's get to it. All right, babe, so show everybody what we did to the Stander today.
All right, so.
Walk them through it.
All right, today we changed our sensor.
The platform sensor.
Yep. It's located right in there.
Yep, that was no good.
We had that go down last year.
Yeah.
We changed our deck belts and our hydro belt.
Yep, the mower has a little under 400 hours on it, and that's about when you should be changing those belts. So we decided to do preventative maintenance and replace them.
And we sharpened the blades, scraped the deck.
Yep.
Power wash and clean the machine.
Yep, new air filter.
Yep, new air filter. Tomorrow we're going to take care of the hydro fluid and a new hydro filter.
Yep.
Going to take care of that tomorrow.
Yep.
I'm very proud of myself. I taught myself today how to put on these deck belts.
You did great.
It was a first time around here. I think I might have actually even taught Brandon a thing or two today on how to put those on.
You did.
Follow a diagram.
It's always good having a helper, that's for sure. So we got some work to do to the MTSD. It's almost done. Renee helped me wash it today. She did a great job on it. Came out really nice. You know, it's monotonous things to do on this right now, but it's almost ready for the season. Trying to finish the MTGHS. A few things left to do to that. Well, you want to wrap it up, babe?
Yeah, that's it for today. Like I said in the beginning of our video, time's ticking here, and we're down to the wire. We're in pretty good shape. I think what's going to be the most time consuming out of everything is going to be doing some work on our trailer. That thing needs a good amount of repairs. So
yes, it does.
We got a whole list here that takes up like half of the first page of things that we need to take care of. So first thing on the list though is getting those axles taken care of, and then we can finish up. We'll take you guys along on that video and show you some things that we're kind of tweaking in there. Some things that, you know, some kinks we're trying to work out from last year that we both find will work a little bit easier for us this year. So.
Well, we appreciate you guys taking the time to view our videos. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. That'd be greatly appreciated.
Yep.
You got anything else to add, hon?
No, I think that's it. You know, like I said, if there's anything else you guys want to see, comment below, and just like, share, and subscribe, please. It helps us out a lot.
We promise you, there's great content coming your way.
Yep.
All right, guys, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for tuning in.
Have a good night.
Bye.